That's true. You are a good mom. That's why you're capturing everything, each and every milestone of them. That is really commendable, very impressive. And I think, as you said, that children they are not free to express themselves. So
Yes.
yes, tell me something about your hobbies. You said you are mom of two babies. Say something about your babies, how old they are.
They are little. My elder one is 10 running, and younger one is 6 running. So they are little, but I'm enjoying nurturing them. And this journey, it is part of our life. So I want to write good memory, on in my diary. So
Yes,
I just try to, I can say, save this moment, and I try to enjoy with them. This journey is going very beautifully, I can say.
yes, it is good. You are enjoying your motherhood. Actually, this time will never come back again. Once they grow up, it will be hard for us to talk with them. What happens? Is there some problem was happening from your side? Are you okay? Are you getting a call?
I think that, yes, video was paused. I think maybe some
Mm,
issue was there.
technical
Okay, go
issues
ahead.
with
Right now,
them. Yeah, so I was saying that is good. You are enjoying your motherhood, and that is a blessing. Actually, you're looking after two of your babies, as you said, they are still for you babies, and you also said you are making a journal. You're writing everything, capturing every moment of their milestones. That's a great thing because once they grow up, it's very hard for us to sometimes tell them, okay, when you were six, you used to do this thing. When you were two, you used to do this thing, and we change actually over time. So when we have these memories, we can come back again, we can look at again. I was like that. That's very surprised because I don't have any, I don't know how I was as a child. If my mom could have made a journal like you are making that, but at that time, no knowledge, nothing. Now we have technical, I would say cutting edge technicals and apps and so many other things we can use. And why don't we use? And if we have technology, take the advantage of that. So when they grow up, they will see themselves, oh my goodness, my mom, she was capturing each and every moment of ours. They will be very happy too.
right, right. Absolutely right. So how's your day going, ma'am? You are not leaving India right now?
I'm not living in India. I'm in Australia. One of my colleagues, she used to work with me, not colleague. She used to work with me. Now she's working in another school, but we work for same company. That's why we are still connected. She came my home first time, and I was entertaining her. I cooked some of the food like samosa. It was ready made, but still okay. She ate that. I made a smoothie for her. She had that smoothie, and she came my home around a 1:30 p.m. She left home quarter to 4. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we were talking, enjoying talking with each other. Now next week we have to, from next week we have to join the work. So we are preparing for that.
So what is time right now? It is morning here or the evening?
It is evening because Australia is 5.5 hours ahead of India. So it
Hmm.
is nearly 4:30 p.m.
Wow. Okay. So what you miss mostly India's thing? What you miss?
I miss everything. I miss my childhood, my maternal home, my brothers, my mom, and yeah, getting better now because now I got YouTube channel, and through YouTube channel I'm connecting with people like you, and it is helping me to get over because when we occupied with something and we are interested in, we take interest, that way we don't have time to think something else. So I am
Right.
utilizing my time in a productive way, so I can develop along with my development. I am focusing on other people's development as well, so when I develop, I want they also develop along with me. And yeah, that would be very amazing when we all say, yeah, we are very good in communication, and we are connected with each other, we are learning from each other. Isn't it? It's a good thing.
Yes, it is really very good thing. And I think you are a teacher, right?
I am a teacher. I think you need my introduction.
No, no, I don't need. Actually, I have watched. I know that you are a teacher.
Yeah.
So I want to know how's their education. It is like India or is something different there? How it's I can say taught in America.
No, Australia. I'm in
But
Australia.
yeah, I forgot actually.
I,
Okay.
I know you are very excited. That's why sometimes
No, no, I
we
have this issue. Sometimes words,
yeah.
countries, words here
Mhm.
and there. Actually, I am new in this language and I'm not much familiar yet. It's been 1 year I have been learning, but somewhere
Yeah.
I have, I'm running sort of things, so but
Mhm.
okay, it will be okay after some time.
Yeah, because of your consistent practice, you will be able to achieve your desired goal. Because you said you have been practicing speaking in English more than a year,
Mhm.
and surely it will help you because I can see you have been maintaining your consistency. You did not break anything. So now you are a YouTuber too. It will help you to practice a lot. So yeah, you were asking about the education. I would say in relation to the education, we are totally different to India. Because here we don't pressurize children to study. We want them to develop their holistic personality. So we have holistic approach. We want them to have a good environment where they can rage. We nurture them, and we also help them to engage in the activity which they find interesting. If they don't
Mhm.
have interest, they won't be able to learn. So if they have interest in some particular areas, we try to immerse their interest into our curriculum. Like some
Oh,
children like to play with the mud or something. So if we have any science activities, I teach them through their interest, like volcano erection, how
mm,
volcano erupt, all these things. And also some children, they are interested in bugs, butterflies, worms. So we teach them, okay, what is the life cycle of butterfly? We have in our room, we have books, we have charts, we also have, we create a life living activities, hands-on living activities. We do that. So through that we teach them. But when they reach up at 8 standards, then they have to study equally like we do in India. But by the time they develop their interest, they develop
right.
their whole personality. They become
Personality.
yeah, they become very strong in their individuality along with social and mental well-being as well. It is very important. They have to know, okay, these things belongs to me, and if these things belong to me and I don't look after these, what will happen? I am the responsible person to look after my belongings, and if someone is talking with me an appropriate way, I have to raise my voice. I should tell the teacher, I should tell my parents. They don't hide anything, so we cannot tell anything to any child. you know
Mm-hmm.
we have to be very mindful while talking with them. We
Mm-hmm.
cannot say them you are naughty.
Mm-hmm.
We cannot say any negative words to them. We have to make sure we use positive words, even though they are mischievous, they don't listen. We cannot tell them, as I told you, naughty, and we cannot tell them stop. We have to guide them in a positive way. We tell them, okay, you are running a lot, what happened? There is no space in the room. You might go and outside and run a lot, because there are heaps of a place to run, and whatever you would like to do, any physical activity you can do there, because this is the classroom. We have activities around here. Imagine if we fall down, what will happen? We have to call doctor. Do you think it would be good? Then no, 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 teacher, I will run outside. And we just try to instill moral value in them, so they become a good Australian civilization. Like they help society, they contribute uh, to society, and that's what we are aiming to help our children to develop, become a confident individual. and able to raise their voice, able to say what they want to say. Don't hide in themselves. Okay, I have to hide these things, and what people they gonna say. This person gonna mock me. This person gonna judge me. We don't have this kind of mentality because we raise our children in that way. So education plays a very important role in order to make their personality stronger.
Right, right. It's a pay, I can say, significant role because I have seen in India, they if they one and no no 2.5-year-old kids and they have 6 7 books, 6 7 notebooks,
Yeah, yeah,
even pressurized in since childhood they think that
yeah.
is it is a burden for them, like
Mm,
pressurized every time, do your homework. Even I
mm,
also feel sometimes frustrated, seeing kids book and seeing
mm,
their homework, schoolwork, even they
mm,
don't have time to play.
mm,
Is somewhere we need to change our curriculum.
mm.
Because I
Therefore,
think. Mhm.
yeah, yeah,
Go
yeah.
ahead.
Continue, please. Continue.
What I would say. I
Sorry for that. So yeah, I was telling that in India we work like we have to follow a particular curriculum. We cannot deviate from our curriculum. They want children to become a horse with blinders. They want children to, okay, you have to study. This is the curriculum. You cannot go beyond that. This is the recess time. This is the eating time. This is the home time. And when you go home, you make sure you have plenty of homework to finish. That way children don't have time to play, and when they don't play, they don't explore. They don't explore world around them because they are very busy with their study, and they have to make sure they finish their homework. Otherwise next day teacher will get angry with them, and they don't want to face this situation. They don't want their peer mock them why you didn't do your homework. So they are very busy with their studies. That's why they are not paying much attention towards the other curriculum, extra curriculums.
and they feel bored even when we pressurize every time, do your homework, do you they feel bored even they don't want to do study. We
Hmm.
we need to interact them like a creatures,
Hmm.
like you were mentioning words and what is
Hmm.
going around us, how's the nature, everything is we should tease them so they feel interest.
Yes.
If our school convert like that, so kids also they I can say feel
Yeah.
enjoyable, and they go like to go in school. Even they kids these days, kids they don't want to go in school.
Why do they want to go school? Because they think this is kind of punishment for them. Parents
Right,
want to send them to the school. Okay, you have to go to the school. You make sure you get very good marks, more than your friends, and they have this pressure. So here, what we do, we build their interest. We want them to explore the things through play. So
right,
they want to come because I so many parents told me, oh, he wanted to come, he said when I will go to the school. So that's very amazing, good to know, because we set up our classroom according to their interest. So they don't just open the book and they read, and it's like a very tedious task. It is a tedious task for them to open book. Teacher is giving lecture, friends are getting bored, they are getting bored, they don't know when this what is happening, what teacher is saying. They are waiting when recess will come, we'll go out, we'll play. When the school finish, we go out and we play. Still they have to do lots of homework. It's so hard. They are not in that position to enjoy their lives. They don't
right,
have freedom. Actually they have burden. I have to somehow get very good marks, otherwise my mom won't be happy, my dad won't be happy. Sometimes we pressurize children, if you don't pass now your dad will get angry on me. We make them guilt. Yeah.
right,
Oh, I
right,
didn't get good marks, my mom, she won't be happy with me, and my dad will get angry on her. So they have guilt, so they develop guilt. That's why when they grow up, they don't become a confident individual. They
right,
still feel there's something missing, and that's why we have psychologists everywhere these days. Psychology problems are developing day by day. Before, at our time, no psychologist. But now you see door to door, every corner of the street, you will find psychologists because people they are suffering from mental um, calamity, mental problems. They are not able to handle that. They don't know how to handle because parents didn't allow them to explore the life. They were very busy with study. They didn't get the time to see what is happening around them. Then they lose their social interaction. So when we don't have social interaction, we are very good in academic, we get very good marks, but when it's come to reality, we don't know how to share our knowledge, how to implement what we have learned because we did not have that exposure. That is the problem happening with children at this moment. So I would like to tell everyone, please pay attention to their individuality because every child is unique and special being. We have to make sure we develop our connection with the child rather than just correcting them. We correct them. Look, you done this mistake. You didn't get on the time. Look, you did this, and look at your clothes are there. Look at your books are there. Look at your hair like this. Look at your dress like this. The way you speaking, that's not correct. We correct them all the time. But better
Right.
we develop our connection with them rather than correcting all the time. You do this, you do this, you do this. Then they don't develop bonding with their parents as well, and something happened outside, then they hide. They don't tell parents, look mom, this has happened to me, and they
Right.
hide it. Yeah.
Because they don't have courage. Even they think if I tell to mama, so mama will punish me as well. So
Mm.
that we hide. We do not
Yeah.
make like that bond with them, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
So
mm,
we should not pressurize much like that. Actually, they are
mm,
kids. They do. That is their life, And now they are kids. If they do not do right now, I
yeah,
think that if they do not do right now, so when they do, once they grown up, so they will also, like us, they become. They will have a lot of things on their
mm,
head. So, but right now, we have to, let them enjoy their childhood.
that's true. You are a good mom. That's why you're capturing everything, each and every milestone of them. That is really commendable, very impressive. And I think, as you said, that children they are not free to express themselves because they have fear of getting punishment. Yes.
Right.
So we have to give them freedom. Whatever you want to say, you have to say bravely because something happened wrong with them. They won't be able to share out their ideas with us. Yes,
Right.
and someone can manipulate them for their benefit. So we have to make sure we instill confidence to our in our children. So when we instill confidence in our children, that way when they grow up, they will be able to face the life problems.
Problems.
Yeah,
Right.
and
Right.
I heard sometimes people they give up, they feel like there's nothing, they give up their life as well. So it's better to give up on your things, better you just stay strong. And how can they stay strong? When we help them to be strong, develop their confidence. You have to be confident enough to share your ideas with your parents, with your loved one, with your relative, with your siblings. We all are here to help you. And don't tell them if you do this, you do this, I won't talk with you, you will not get food, you will not get prize, you will not get gift. Tell it's okay. We human being, I also make mistakes. You are
Right.
making mistakes. Doesn't matter. As long as we are able to rectify, that is enough.
Hmm.
Yes.